not give significant information iron electronic distribution. So it is the most colorless in nature. So it is a iron centers are high spin in nature. That is also clearly indicates that these iron centers are high spin in nature. If the iron centers are low spin in nature, then the transitions are சொல்லுங்க சார். இல்ல கிளாஸ். So it is a plus and high spin iron to behavior clear the iron two centers are high spin in nature. Is the iron two centers are is a distance of 3.2 the iron's distance between the two iron metals distance is 3.27. Seeing the color is very different from that of your deoxyform. It's a violet color in nature. So how the violet color is what is the origin of this violet color? If you are seeing the dioxin binding with one hemoglobin, one iron center in a peroxide nature. Peroxide means it is a two electron reduced product of oxygen. These two electrons are where the electrons are coming from. It is coming from both ion centers. Each ion center will give one electron to the one electron to the oxygen. So it is accommodate getting two electrons from the two iron. It is reduced to O2 2 minus. It is a peroxide. So the charge to transition from the peroxide to iron 3 orbitals. So this is the reason for the observed strong in the calculating the magnetic moment, how much the magnetic moment value. Iron is in the high state, that is iron is in the plus 3 oxidation state. So D5 configuration, this is also D5 configuration. But a total of 10 unpaired electrons should be present. But if you are measuring the magnetic moment, the value is 0. There is no magnetism. There is almost diamagnetic in nature. Why it is showing diamagnetic behavior? That is quite interesting. What would happen? There is these two these 5 electrons are not having the same spin. The spin directions are not at all same for the both ion center. One is having upward spin, another one is having the downward spin. Both will combine, and overall their interaction will give the diamagnetic nature. This is the reason why it is, even though the oxyhemerythrin is containing 10 unpaired electrons in the d orbital, but it is not paramagnetic. It is a diamagnetic. Diamagnetism due to the antiferromagnetic coupling, or it is otherwise called as a super exchange, spin super exchange phenomena. And then the O2 stretching frequency, if you are seeing, it is 844 centimeter inverse. In the previous case of the iron, we have seen it is 1100 centimeter inverse. Here it is 850 centimeter inverse. This clearly suggests that the bond order value is no longer in between the O2 and superoxide. It is a peroxide. It's clearly indicated peroxide. So the bonds keep on decreasing, automatically the stretching frequency also decreasing. When we are calculating the Hill coefficient value, it is lying between 1.2 to 1.4. This is also a supporting evidence for that. There is a non-cooperative binding of dioxide to the heme center. So already we have seen this. So then definitely expect that cooperative effect is present. So the dioxide binding is asymmetric in case of oxygen. That's all. And signing. We have seminar PhD Vaivav's examination for one of our department. So at this juncture, I am closing. ಯಾರು ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ present ಆಯ್ತು ಕಡೆ ಸರಿಪಾ you can leave. class.